Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the company update of Vizsla Silver on Commodity TV. In the world of precious metals development and exploration, one company is currently causing quite a stir: Vizsla Silver. With a market cap of over 1.3 billion Canadian dollars, a strong project in Mexico, and an experienced management team, Vizsla is already being traded as a silver unicorn, a term that is rare in the mining industry. Since consolidating the land package, Vizsla Silver has developed the Panuco project from initial discovery to a significant resource in just a few years. Current estimates from early 2025 total over 361 million ounces of silver equivalent. This includes 222.4 million ounces in the measured and indicated category and 138.7 million ounces in the inferred category. The most important ore veins are the high-grade Copala and Napoleon veins. A preliminary economic assessment called PEA forecasted annual production of 15.2 million ounces of silver equivalent over a mine life of more than 10 years with an after-tax NPV of $1.1 billion. At gold and silver prices of $2,370 and $31 per ounce silver, respectively, this results in an after-tax NPV of over $1.5 billion, an internal rate of return of over 100%, and an extremely short payback period of less than 6 months. Guess what happens now with those prices? Looks even better. Exceptional values in this industry. Vizsla Silver is pursuing a dual strategy. On the one hand, the company is pushing ahead with the development of the Panuco project at full speed. The focus is on completing a feasibility study and completing the Copala test mine program in 2025 in order to minimize the risks involved in the transition to production maturity. The Copala portal, which will serve as the main access for future underground mining, is progressing on schedule. To date, approximately 125 meters have been advanced, with stable ground conditions and a current advance rate of 4 meters per day, which will be further optimized. Once the ore zone is reached, a 10,000-ton bulk sample will be taken to carry out various technical tests and planning for further mine development. The program should be completed by the end of the year. Activities will take place on previously developed land and utilize existing infrastructure, minimizing environmental impact. The first silver production is planned for 2027 already, ladies and gentlemen. In parallel, Vizsla is focusing on extensive exploration programs to further expand the resource potential. Over 37,000 meters of drilling and geophysical surveys are planned for 2025. The company is financially sound, with over $92 million in cash and no debt. In addition to the last financing, they did the company a board deal of $100 million to accelerate massively exploration and development of the Panuco silver gold project. The money comes from the sale of 33.3 million new shares for $3 per share, which gives a dilution of 12%. The demand from institutional investors was extremely strong, which is a positive sign. Despite the shortfall of the stock price, is the share in the last 6 months still in positive territory and has lots of potential. The company will play a key role in future silver production in the sector. We have a price target of $5.50 now for this year and $7.50 by 2027. The experienced management team led by CEO Michael Connaught has extensive experience in the development of mining projects. Vizsla Silver also emphasizes responsible corporate governance, safety, environmental protection, and cooperation with local communities. Overall, Vizsla Silver is positioning itself as one of the most promising new players in the global silver sector, with the goal of developing the Panuco project into one of the largest primary silver mines in the world. You can also find all information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything about commodities. Please note the disclaimer. The stock discussed is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder directly or indirectly in the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.